Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 59. Find the range of the following set of numbers: 100, 170, 130, 40, 110, 140. A 130, B 70, C 210, and D 235. So we are asked to find the range of this following set of numbers. Now, to find the range of a given set of numbers, we subtract the lowest number from the highest number, that is the highest number minus the lowest number. Now from these numbers given here, this set of numbers, you will see that 170 here is the highest number, so therefore we say range is equal to 170 minus, and the lowest number here is 40, so minus 40. Now range is equal to 170 minus 40, and this will give us 130. Remember, I told you that range simply means what? The highest number minus what? The lowest number, and the highest number here is 170 while the lowest number is 40. Now we subtracted 40 from 170 and we had what? We have 130. Now let's go to our options and check which of these correspond to our answer. Option A here says 130, which is correct. B here says 70, which is wrong. C says 210, wrong, and D says 235, which is wrong. So A is our answer. The range of the following set of numbers: 100, 170, 130, 40, 110, and 140 is 130. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.